Welcome. Thank you for popping by. Have you noticed that your pipeline shrunk as interest rates have gone up? Have you noticed that your bills keep coming, whether you fund loans or not? If you'd like to get more borrowers, come join us Thursday, 21st February at the Ontario Airport Embassy Suites from 1 o'clock to 4:30. If you want to get more borrowers and learn the systems that I've been using for the last 33 years, and they're still working today to keep my pipeline full. If you want to put the fund back into funding, come join us at the Embassy Suites Ontario Airport Hotel from 1 o'clock to 4:30, February 21st, from 1 to 4:30. And let's put the fund back into funding. See you there.